No pictures, no pictures.
No me?
Not you, no.
Okay.
So don't worry about it. You're doing beautiful. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you. You can see a lot of progress has been made on the brick wall.
Yeah.
And there's the all-important brick ties which were missing on the old wall. There's a tie right in front of me. Looks like we had one broken brick out of a whole bunch, and the supervisor has gone off to pick up another one which just happens to be in the neighborhood. It's a miracle. I'm talking to my